should tap into this myself. Hey, what's going on? It's your man Bab, your tech homie. I am your IT tech homie. What's going on? I got the young kid with us today again. Your kid or your kiddo, they want to get into tech, right? They don't want to go to, I don't know, who knows? But they want to get into tech. So what do? How do you help them out? I got three things we're gonna go over today. I'm trying to make it 15 minutes again. We're trying to make it 15 minutes again, as long as he cooperates with me. The first thing is Roblox for kids. If your kid is into Roblox, I have some good solutions for you. If your kid is into like hands-on engineering things, robotics, 3D printing drones, I have something cool for you. And then if they're into like building websites or building operating systems, I have something cool for you. So that's hands-on. If they're engineering, I have something for you. Website operating system, I have something for you. And I have something for you too if they're into video games and stuff. And I'm gonna share all those links in the chat. So if you hang out with me about another 30 seconds, we're gonna kick it off. Who's in here with me? Who's hanging out with me? If your kid wants to learn tech, or if they're into tech, or you think you should push them in that direction, let me know. Leave some comments. All right. Let me make sure I get in the stream so I can share these resources with y'all. So the very first thing, right? If your kid wants to get into tech and you're trying to figure out how to help them out. I can't find the stream though. Okay. If your kid wants to get into tech, right? So the first thing, if they're into video gaming, if you see they are taking interest in Roblox, this is something I covered in a video yesterday. There's a lot of great resources. You can go to create-learn.us. That's create-learn.us. They have a lot of great options for your kid. Particularly, they have a Roblox solution there. So if you go to the top search bar, look for Roblox. You can also go to the very bottom where it says all classes, and it'll go through all the classes if they're into Minecraft, if they're into Roblox. There's so many great solutions, and I hear a lot of parents concerned about their child's addiction to Roblox. Well, I've shared a lot of great resources last year, so I want to share them to the public now. Create-learn.us. They actually have a lot of great things from AI, from data analytics to machine learning, so on and so forth. But they have a great Roblox solution there. So that's definitely something you can get into. They even offer like group tutoring. That's one of the bullet points I put in the description. They have a group tutoring option. So if you're worried about the price, let's go through the price real quick. If you have a small group, if you have 5 students, that's $105 a student. That's 200 minutes of instruction. That's a portal you can go into. That's with the instructor. If you're a little bit more big balling, you're probably going to spend 200 to 300 for one-on-one tutoring. Yeah, it's $220. But if you get a group of kids, or if you want to think about, what kind of scholarship can I create? This is the kind of scholarship you want to create, and this is the kind of tutoring you want to get your kids through. And you can have a total of up to 6, actually, it says. Hush. So yes, they have some great solutions for several topics, right? So number 2, Sugar Labs. Go to sugarlabs.org. There, your kid, they can play around in a Linux-like environment. And you see Linux a lot in all kind of corporations. One moment. Yeah, I'm online. Get this boy off of me. Here you go, baby boy. All right, so sugarlabs.org is an open source learning platform for your kids. They can go there and learn how to build operating systems. They can go there, learn how to do a lot of great things. It's a great collaborative platform class. And I said, hey, if your kid is not old enough, they can learn Linux too. That's still something that's popping. So I think I put it in the chat, sugarlabs.org. Yeah, sugarlabs.org. I don't know about the pricing there, but they have a lot of great preview material you can check out, and you can see what the curriculum is about. And it's open source, like I said. So it should be free. Yeah, it's free, completely free. All right. So we went through Roblox and Minecraft. We just went through Linux, which is used to build operating systems, operating softwares from like, when we talk about operating software, we're talking about like Apple, of course, or Mac OS or Windows 10 or Android, iOS, right? All these different mobile and web operating systems, well, not web operating systems, but like different operating systems to operate your devices. Linux is the infrastructure of a lot of that stuff, and Linux can be the intro to a lot of other programming too. So if your kid is into programming and coding, Linux will be likely be a part of that curriculum they learn. So this stuff is free. This stuff is free. I might do another video about all the free Linux and like cloud websites online, but I want to move on to the third resource, which is the resource I have in the thumbnail. Um, HAK Innovation. They are having, well, every year, and throughout the year even, they have different summer camps. They have different things going on through spring break. In the thumbnail, I have their summer camp, and let me pull up their website for you. They go through like robotic games. They go through, oh man, don't tell me that. Okay, yeah, you go to hakinnovation.org. I'll put it in the chat later. They have 5 days of different engineering events from 3D printing, playing with drones, building different. They have a lot more dates coming. So if you go to the URL that my brother Harry just put in the chat, you go to hakinnovation.org, you see the different dates and locations that's coming up. They have events from SMU to beyond. So you can see a lot of their previous events as well and what they have coming up. Let's actually take a small dive. So sports tech, looks like they have a class that covers like some of the wearable technology that athletes wear, probably from your Apple Watch to your Fitbit, um, to probably just different ways that technology and sports come together. They have Drone Week. That's a full 4 days, and every topic I just mentioned here, from 3D printing, drones, robotic, video game design tech, they're all week. They're all 1 week. So this is not just come in and drop off. This is a 1 week dedication. The classes start from 110, and they are more than worth it, right? So your kid wants to get into tech, you have a few solutions for them. You can give them to something hands-on engineering based with HAK Innovation. You can get them involved with Roblox and Minecraft development and programming, and you can get them into building operating system, building software with Linux. That's with Sugar Labs. And yes, some more detail on the sports tech. They actually will be building a digital stopwatch. Building a digital stopwatch. I'll be sure to market that particular piece. And if you can message me, Harry, what each week, um, what the kids will be building exactly. If you can message me, hey, they will be building this, or this will be the outcome of each class or each week. That'd be great. I'll be sure to market that. But if y'all have any questions, you can ask your tech homie here. I'm logging off. Go enjoy your lunch.